Alright guys, welcome back to waxpack.net. I'm glad to check back in again. Doing a mini box of the 2009 Icons. Says a jersey card every box. We'll see if they do, because last time I did a mini jersey box from Upper Deck, the regular series, they hosed me. Got jack crap, nada. Anyway, let's pop this open real quick. Go through this real fast with you guys. Alright, that's what it looks like inside. The pack's out here. And let's start busting. Okay, because, well, size more, Chipper Jones, okay. So it's 5 cards per pack. So I guess if you wanted to shove a bunch of little bitty cards in there, it's pretty cool, huh? It's a BJ Upton card. Let's see, Kerry Wood. Old Maestro sports card, Upper Deck mix-in. Alright. Big Papa. Sanchez. Oh, there's my one. I call Alex Rios card on there. Got a little bit of white in there, so that must be like another jersey and stuff. Excuse us for the outburst from my little son. Apologize for that. Oldest son's come in to sit down next to us, see what we're popping now. He was busy playing video games earlier. It's Bethia, Casimir, Verlander, Rodriguez. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, Rollins, Anderson, Schneider, rookie card Schneider, that's cool. Okay, Robert Texteria. Put your hands in there, son. Show everybody you're here. You are here. There we go. It's been a pitcher machine today. That was fun. He got a bunch of hits today. We're learning. 6-year-old learning. Dempster, Reyes, Burnett, Shields, Giambi. And Giambi's going down quick, isn't he? Alright. Oh, mix of what's going on lately. Holiday, Beckett, Santana, Kobe Bryant, sports cards, and there's the highly wanted to be traded guy for the Blue Jays rotation man. Alright. Kane, Ordez, Wright, Drew, Derek Lee. Sure. Santana, Pujols, whatever that guy like to say, King Griffey Jr. And then there's a holiday that did get traded. Amara, Lindsey, Adkins, Beltran. Beltran, the Astros trader. Soria, Tiger Woods card, Hanley Ramirez. What's in? Alright guys, well thanks for checking in. Like I said, this is the Alex Rios card we got with a white jersey there. And Travis Schneider rookie card. Thanks for checking in. Be sure to check the website out. We're always having updates all the time.
Bye guys.
He wants to get out of here, but do the rookie reviews and also check back for some of the box breaks and other news that I got going on there. Thanks again. Be sure to check out waxpack.net.